Just imagine, if tomorrow morning the very first thought that comes to your mind is, yes, I can do it. I believe in myself. Sounds simple, right? But believe me, this single thought can change your entire life. Most people in the world don't fail because they lack talent or because they don't have resources. They fail because they don't even trust themselves. That's why Dr. Joseph Murphy's book, Believe in Yourself, is so powerful. Because when you truly learn to believe in yourself, then even the impossible becomes possible for you. So today we'll dive deep into this book. We'll understand why real power lies in our belief, how our subconscious mind works, and most importantly, how you can reprogram your mind to create the life you've always dreamed of. अगर आज आप यहाँ सिर्फ स्क्रॉल करते हुए आए और आपको ये वीडियो मिल गया, तो ये इत्तेफाक नहीं है। इनको यूनिवर्स का एक साइन समझना। अब आपके सपने आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं और हमें कम से कम लाइक करके शुरू करते हैं। Chapter 1. The Hidden Power of Belief. Every discovery, every great success, every revolution started with just one thing: belief. The Wright brothers believed that humans could fly. Thomas Edison believed that light could come from a bulb. Oprah Winfrey believed that she could rise above her struggles. If these people had not believed in themselves, maybe our world today wouldn't look the same. Dr. Murphy says, belief is not just a mental thought, it's a spiritual power. When you deeply believe in something, your subconscious mind works day and night to make it real. Belief is like a seed. Once you plant it in the soil, you don't keep worrying every day, asking, will it grow? You just water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it will surely become a tree. Your dreams and goals work exactly the same way. Chapter 2. Your Real Boss, the Subconscious Mind. The truth is, we don't live only through our conscious mind. 95% of our life is controlled by our subconscious mind. That means if you say, I want success, but deep inside, your subconscious is filled with fear and doubt, then no matter how hard you work, you'll block your own path. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious is like a supercomputer. It doesn't argue, it doesn't question, it just follows your orders. If you keep saying, I can't do it, your subconscious will make it true. If you say, I can do it, I am capable, I believe in myself, then your subconscious will start working in that direction and bring you opportunities to make it true. Now the real question is, what are you feeding your subconscious every day? Fear and doubt, or confidence and belief? Chapter 3. The Biggest Enemy, Fear and Doubt. Why do most people fail? Not because they are weak, but because they become slaves to their fear. Fear says, what if you fail? Doubt says, this is not for you. And the more you listen to these voices, the weaker your belief becomes. Murphy gives an example. Two people face the same opportunity. The first one says, I don't think I can do it. The second one says, I can do it. I believe in myself. So tell me, who will succeed? The one who believed. Always remember, fear and belief cannot stay in the same mind together. If you strengthen belief, fear will die on its own. And if you feed fear, belief will be destroyed. Chapter 4. How to build unshakable confidence. Belief doesn't suddenly appear. It's like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Murphy shares some simple but very powerful methods. 1. Affirmations. Repeat every day, I believe in myself. I am capable. I will succeed. 2. Visualization.
Close your eyes and see yourself as if you've already achieved your dream. 3. Act as if. Live as if your dream has already come true. Walk, talk, and behave like the person you want to become. Slowly, your subconscious will start believing it, and once the subconscious accepts it, reality will be forced to follow. A short story: the transformation of a salesman. Once there was a salesman whose income was so low that he could hardly run his household. Every time he went to meet a client, his mind was filled with fear. This deal won't happen. And that's exactly what happened. No one bought from him. But one day, he read Joseph Murphy's book. He started saying every morning, "I am a successful salesman. People love to buy from me." He began visualizing himself closing deals and shaking hands happily. In just 6 months, his sales doubled. And in 1 year, he became the top salesman in his company. What changed? His product? His skills? No. Only one thing changed: his belief.
Chapter 5: Belief and Wealth. Many people want to become rich, but deep inside their subconscious, there is a strong belief that money is the root of all evil, or "I don't deserve to be rich." Murphy says money is not bad. It is just an energy. If you consider it negative, your subconscious mind will block you accordingly. But if you believe that money is a positive force through which you can improve your own and others' lives, then the subconscious will start attracting money. Practice. Every morning, say, "Money comes to me freely and abundantly. I am prosperous and my wealth is also a blessing for others." Slowly, your mind will accept this as true and you will start grabbing those opportunities that were earlier hidden from your sight. Chapter 6: Belief and Health. Have you ever noticed that sick people often keep saying, "I never feel well," and the result? Their condition keeps getting worse. Dr. Murphy explains, your body is a mirror of your mind. If your belief is that you are weak, then your body will become the same. But if you keep telling yourself, "I am healthy, my body is strong and energetic," then slowly your body will make that belief true. Practice. Before sleeping at night and after waking up in the morning, affirm, "Every cell of my body is filled with strength and health." This statement gives a message of healing to your subconscious. Chapter 7: Belief and Relationships. Often people say, "Nobody loves me." But the truth is, unless you give yourself love and respect, expecting it from others is useless. Murphy explains, your relations are the reflection of your beliefs. If you believe, "I am worthy of love, I am worthy of respect," then the universe will send such people and relationships towards you. Practice. Every day, look in the mirror, smile and say, "I love myself, I am worthy of love and respect." At first, it will feel strange, but this very practice will change the entire pattern of your relationships.
Chapter 8: Belief and Turning Dreams into Reality. Think about it. If you set a goal, but deep inside you don't believe you can achieve it, then what will happen? Either you will give up halfway, or you won't even try. But if you say with full belief, "I will achieve it," then your subconscious will start bringing energy, ideas, and opportunities in that direction. Example: Walt Disney. He dreamed of Disneyland when he had no money, no land, and no support. But his belief never let him quit. Today, Disneyland is the world's biggest entertainment empire. True story: From Fear to Success. There was a woman who was very afraid of public speaking, but in her job she had to go on stage again and again. Every time before speaking, her heart would race, her hands would shake, and her mind would go blank. Then she read Joseph Murphy's book. She started telling herself every day, "I am a confident speaker. People love to listen to me."
she began visualizing herself speaking calmly on stage. Slowly, her fear disappeared, and after a few months, that same woman became the best speaker in her company. She already had the knowledge, but the difference was created by only one thing: belief in herself. Chapter 10. The Science of Success. Murphy says success never comes by luck. It is a scientific process. 1. Think. Clearly decide in your mind what you want. 2. Believe. Have complete faith that it is yours. 3. Feel, as if this thing is already present in your life. 4. Receive. Your subconscious will turn it into reality. This process is not magic, but a natural law between your mind and the universe. Chapter 10. How to keep belief strong. Positive environment. Spend time with people who lift you up, not pull you down. Stay away from negativity, media, social networks, or conversations. Anything that breaks your belief, stay away from it. Daily routine. Spend at least 10 minutes every day on affirmations and visualization. Remember, belief is like a plant. If you don't water it every day, it will dry out. Final transformation. Friends, the essence of this whole book is in one line. As you believe yourself to be, so you will become. If you believe you are weak, you will become weak. If you believe you are a failure, you will remain a failure. But if you say with full belief, I can do it, I am capable, and I will succeed, then the entire power of the world starts pushing you forward. So friends, Joseph Murphy's book, Believe in Yourself, teaches us this. Your real power is not outside. It is within you. What you believe, that becomes your reality. And if you truly believe in yourself, then no dream is impossible. So now the question is, will you also start believing in yourself from today? Because your new life is just one thought away.